Hello guys, this is Sahil. Welcome to Cloud Doctor. In the previous video, we have started working on the front end of our application. So in this video, we will customize the header and footer component of our application and we will add the navbar using Bootstrap. So let's start with the video. So let me open VS Code. And first of all, we will add the navigation bar in the header component. So now let me open Bootstrap. Documentation, and here we have to search for navbar. Yeah, this one. So we will copy the code from here and we will create a div and we will paste it here. So meanwhile, let me start the project. Now as you can see, we are having certain errors, so we have to fix those first. So let me fix these errors. Here we need to close this tag and we have to close this input tag as well. Apart from that, everything seems fine. Yeah, so this is the navbar which we have created right now. So first of all, what we will do, we will remove the unnecessary items which we don't need in our navigation bar. So let me remove those. We don't need this form, we will remove it. Yeah. We don't need this disabled, and yeah, we don't need this disabled also, we will remove it. Done. We don't need the drop down also. Done. Okay, we don't need the drop down. Done. We don't need this link also. So done. Yeah, this is the navbar. So now what we have to do, we want this navbar to be dark in color. So for that, what we will do, we will remove this class from here and we will add bg dark. Yeah, and one more class, navbar dark. Yeah, now it seems good. And now what we have to do, we have to replace this class with class name everywhere. Class name, class name. This is also class name. Done. We need another list item. So yeah, and the name will be login. Yeah. So now the name of our application is RegMe. Yeah, and let me open Bootstrap one more time. And here we can add logo also. So I will copy this and I will paste it here. I will close the image tag. Done. So yeah, so we need to include source. So let me open vector icons and I will select icon. We can go with this one. this is downloaded. We will just import it first. Import man from image/man.png. Yeah, we have imported. So let me add this here. Done. And it will be icon, or we can say logo. Width will be 45 and height will be 45 as well. Let me check once. Height will be 35. Yeah, now it's okay. So now our next task is to import link from React router DOM, and we will replace this anchor tag with link. So we will remove this href and we will include two slash login. Here also home. Here also it will be home, and here also. As you can see here, this is our home page and this is our login page, and this functionality is working fine. So let me do little bit of customization. So what we will do, we will add ID here. The ID will be brand name, and here also the ID will be hover. Same here, hover. And we'll go to styles.css, and what we will do, hash brand name colon hover. The color will be hash ffbf00. So let me check it once. Yeah, this is working fine. I'll do the same for our routes as well. So I will just copy this and paste it here and replace this brand name with hover. Yeah, so this functionality is working fine. So now we are done with our navigation bar. Our next task is to customize our footer component. So let us open footer component. Now here what we will do, we will replace this h3 tag with footer, and there will be a paragraph, and here we'll write made with love by Shahil, copyright 2023. Yeah, and little bit of customization more. Const current year equals to new date dot get full year, and I will replace this 2023 by current year. Yeah, one more thing, we'll add an emoji here, span. So let us search for the emoji. Yeah, we'll copy this one only and we'll paste it here. One more. We'll copy this and paste it here. Now let us check. It looks good. So now what we need to do, we need to fix its position. So let me open styles.css, and here footer position will be fixed, and text align center, width will be 100%. Let me check. Yeah, and then bottom will be 0. Yeah, and height will be 0.7 rem. Okay, one more thing, margin bottom will be 15 pixels. Yeah, now it looks good. So we'll need to change the color also of the paragraph. So footer p color will be, let us select a color and we'll go with, yeah, we'll select this and we'll just paste it here. Yeah, so now it's looking good. So that's all for this video. I request you to please like the video, share the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will be adding videos frequently to complete this series. Thank you.